They will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.